Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to give you the lowdown on whether they're worth your hard-earned cash. Today, we've got something really special for all you robotics buffs out there. The Pimoroni Yukon, a powerhouse of a board designed to turn your wildest robot dreams into reality. So, buckle up, and let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk specs. The Pimoroni Yukon is powered by the RP2040 ARM Cortex-M0 Plus dual-core processor clocked at 133 MHz. It boasts 264 kilobytes of SRAM and 16 megabytes of flash storage, making it a formidable brain for your robotic creations. But what sets the Yukon apart is its modular design. With 6 high-power slots, 2 Stemma QT connectors, and a breakout garden header, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're into robotics, CNC machinery, or even prop making for cosplay, the Yukon has got you covered. Now, let's talk power. Unlike your standard microcontroller boards, the Yukon doesn't rely solely on USB-C for juice. Nope. It's got an XT30 connector capable of handling voltages from 5 to 17 volts at a whopping 15 amps of continuous current. Plus, with built-in e-fuse protection, you can rest easy knowing your projects are safe from any power mishaps. And when it comes to programming, the Yukon doesn't disappoint. Pimoroni offers a fully stocked MicroPython library, complete with code examples for all the different modules. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner taking your first steps into the world of robotics, the Yukon has something for everyone. So, is the Pimoroni Yukon worth the investment? Absolutely. While it may come with a slightly higher price tag, what you're getting is not just a board, it's a gateway to endless possibilities. From advanced robotics to CNC machinery to prop making, the Yukon has the power and flexibility to bring your ideas to life. So, if you're ready to take your projects to the next level, the Pimoroni Yukon is worth checking out. And that wraps up our review of the Pimoroni Yukon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. Until next time, happy tinkering!